Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to give someone access to Google Drive link. It's super quick and easy, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open the Google Drive app on our phone. Now from here, there are two ways on how to give someone access to Google Drive link. You just need to click on the three dots at the right side of the screen, just beside the specific folder or the specific file that you want to share. Click on that and click share. And just put in the email of that person that you want to send the file to. And you just need to click this arrow here to send it. Now the second way is to click on the three dots again, manage access. And you need to make sure that the general access is set up to anyone with the link, not restricted. And once you already set it up to anyone with the link, you can also adjust the access of the person. It could be viewer, commenter, or editor. And once that's done, and once that's set up, you just need to copy the link in this icon here at the top right corner and share it to whoever you want to give access to. And that's all. That's how you give someone access to your Google Drive link. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.